Hello everyone, this is my Type C vented bell box with strobe and a white or cream 6-inch siren made by Lintec, and obviously the casing is made by CQR. So I'm going to be doing a demonstration of this bell box in this video. As we can see though, there's a piece of plastic missing from the top there, but you know, there's nothing I can do about it. That's just the way it's been removed, unfortunately, because I found it and the back plate was still screwed down, so there was still a screw in there. They just literally got a hammer behind it and prised it off the wall. Anyway, so yeah, I'll do a demo. I'll put it on its side because you'll probably be able to see it better then. Be able to see the strobe now when it's ringing. Anyway, so obviously the cover just lifts up from the bottom, and we can remove that like that. And obviously the strobe's there, in there. So I've just bolted the wires. I've just put the wires. I've matched up the polarities and put them in with the siren wires, and then put 2 wires out of that I'm going to get power from, and obviously that'll make the siren and the strobe flash at the same time. Also, there's a tamper switch there, you can hear it clicking on the other side, so when you put the screw in, it goes up, someone tries to remove the screw, comes out and sets the alarm, or gives it an alarm condition, whatever. And of course there's a 6-inch siren. So I'll get the 2 wires out. I'll wrap that wire down there so it's a bit neater. I'll get the 2 wires out that I need, which are those 2. They're going to be my power. Right then, so I'll get a backup battery. So it'll be 12 volts, which is the recommended power for a bell box, because the siren's 12 volts and so is the strobe. Now let's just give it a really quick test and then we'll do the main test. Yeah, the bell box is working. Also, this is a really old strobe that has a few cracks in the top, and it does flash very slowly. It's not broken, it's just that way, because I don't think they used to flash as fast back in the days, because as this is a really old bell box, it was pretty early days in the strobe industry, pretty early, so it does flash, but not as often as the later blue strobes that would flash constantly. That probably flashes once every 6, 7 or 8 seconds. So yeah, I'll do a test. Right, so that's all I'll do because it is late at night. When I have the time to do, well, it's quite coincidence, isn't it? Whenever I have the time to do a bell box test, it always turns out to be late at night. Anyway, so yeah, you heard that ringing, and of course that's how it would have sounded when it was blazing away as part of an alarm system in the 1980s, or even 1970s maybe, possibly, for this bell box, as it is really old. One last thing I forgot to point out, it does say on the inside, you might not be, well, you can't see, it says manufactured by A1 Intruder Alarms, design reg number 103346, and a little thing there where it's come out the injection mould. Also, like I pointed out in my previous video, which was the Empire Alarms dummy bell box, that obviously as well, forgot to mention that siren's adjustable, so you can put it in the desired position. There is what fitters do these days, because they can't be bothered taking things out properly. They unscrew the top screws like you're supposed to, and then they rip the rest off the wall, so it's missing those two holes because they've just literally ripped the bell box off the wall, which is just pure laziness really. So yeah, I didn't get the screw with this. I don't know where the screw is. Oh, I did get the screw with this because it was in it, wasn't it? I threw it away though because it's severely rusted. I did, surprisingly, manage to get the screw out in the end, but I couldn't trust it because if I put it in and then I couldn't get it back out again, that'd be it. It'd be closed forever. So yeah, I just thought I'd do this video demonstrating the bell box. Yeah, so thank you for watching and goodbye.